All right, and welcome back. Now we're ready to start graphing the system of equation. In order to graph the system of equation, last I checked, we have to have like a y equals. So the first equation we had already changed to y equals 40 minus x, which is great. But the other equation, we still have 4x plus 6 y equals 180, and we need to solve this one for a y as well. So I'm going to start by moving the 4x over here. So we have 6y equals 180 minus 4x. We still need to get rid of the 6, so we divide each term by 6. So now we have y equals 180 divided by 6, which is, undo that, I'm sorry, 180 divided by 6, which is 30, minus 4 over 6x. And then we can use that and put that in our Desmos to find the graph. All right, here we are in our Desmos, and we can just go ahead and type that in. So we have 40 minus x, and our other equation, which is y equals 30 minus 4 over 6x. And here we go. So we're going to have to zoom out, right, because those graphs are a little bit bigger. Oh, we didn't want to put the x down there. Hold on. Wait, x. There we go. And what we see here is the graphs actually cross, and I'm going to tell you they cross exactly at that point we said they were going to cross at, which is 30, 10, right? 30 CDs, these are the X, and 10 videos, so right here. So that is the answer to our last solution too. The context is that this is where they cross, and this is where they meet. So now you're all set, and you should try one on your own.